All right, if creating social media content every single day feels exhausting, yeah, you're definitely not alone. Coming up with captions, video ideas, hooks, scripts, and post concepts constantly can take a huge amount of time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for social media content creation in 2026, step by step. First, understand what ChatGPT is actually useful for in social media. It can help generate captions, hooks, video scripts, hashtags, content calendars, post ideas, marketing angles, and even reply suggestions. Now open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. The quality of your prompt directly affects the quality of your content. Be specific about your niche, audience, platform, tone, and content style. One of the easiest ways to use ChatGPT is brainstorming content ideas. For example, you can ask for TikTok ideas, Instagram Reels topics, YouTube Shorts concepts, or viral post ideas. Hooks are extremely important because they grab attention quickly. ChatGPT can generate engaging hooks, captions, and call-to-action lines much faster. Don't rely completely on AI-generated text. Always personalize the content so it sounds natural and matches your audience. One of the smartest things you can do is build a prompt library for your most common content tasks. AI should support your creativity, not completely replace originality and human ideas. And yeah, that's how you use ChatGPT for social media content creation in 2026. Once you learn how to guide the AI properly, creating content becomes faster, easier, and way more organized.